In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how I made over 3,000 US dollars in one single day. So right now on my screen, you can see tons of screenshots that I've taken at some point in my business when I received payments. The first thing I need you to understand is what I didn't do, because it's just as important as what I did do. In fact, it's even more important. So let's take a look at exactly what most people are doing when they want to make money online and have a profitable online business. The thing is, as human beings, we only ever do something for the outcome. Sometimes, yes, we'll do an activity because we genuinely enjoy it. For example, let's say going to the gym. When I started at first, I hated the activity itself. I just cared about the end result, which was looking better, feeling better, being more confident. But then I came to enjoy doing the activity itself. But for most things, we're gonna do it because we want an outcome. For example, you go to work at your 9 to 5, not necessarily because you enjoy it, but because you need the money to pay your bills, to stay alive. It's that simple. And so why am I telling you this? Because most people who want to make money online only obsess over the end goal that they want, which is making $10,000 a month, for example. That's the most common one. And then they forget that the journey also matters. So this is what most people try to do. They try to do dropshipping, which, to sum it up, basically you spy on other people's stores, you find trendy, cool products, what people typically call a winning product, and you make a Shopify store, which is a platform that allows you to create a website, an online store very easily. It's like $29 a month or something like that, at least back when I was using it. And then you run some ads on TikTok, on Facebook, or even on YouTube to your product page, and some people buy. That's it. Now, the issue with this model, there's so many. First, the advertising platforms don't like you because they kind of see you as, I don't want to say that word, but they kind of see you as a scam, because so many people tried dropshipping when it was really hyped by influencers online, and they just did it wrong. So they fucked up the trust of the ad platforms to begin with. Not to mention that if you were to succeed with dropshipping, your profit would be very low, 5 to 20% maximum. And you don't really have any control over the business per se, because you don't own the product. You're reselling the same shit that AliExpress sells for like 10 times the price, when people can just buy it for much cheaper on Amazon and even get same-day delivery. And also, people try and do this and go to ads, and they only have a $100 budget, and they think that's the key to getting rich. It's not. You're being delusional. Now, if that's you, if that's where you're at right now, you're stuck in these low-earning business models which look great on paper, but aren't that great in reality. I feel you, because that's exactly where I was just a few years ago. I was stuck doing all these models, especially the dropshipping, because I thought, I can just try. What do I have to lose? But deep down, I knew there was a much better path. Now, this is affiliate marketing. The big pro of affiliate marketing is you resell other people's products. You don't have to worry about building a product or doing the customer support. You only have to sell it. The issue is selling the product is the most difficult thing you'll ever have to do. So as a beginner, not only are you going to do the most difficult job, but you're only going to be paid pennies, because the business owner, the one who created the product, is going to keep most of the profit. So it is not by any means an easy way. And if you went to paid advertising with this model, you need high profit margins to begin with to make your ads work. Otherwise, you're just losing money, unless you have some crazy back-end funnel. But again, for beginners, this is a very complex concept, which most people won't even know what I'm talking about right now. So forget about this. Now, what about doing online surveys? If you want to make $1 a month extra and spend hours of your day like filling out these forms only to have the platform tell you that, oh, sorry, we didn't find any service for you to fit your profile. Come on, I tried this when I was a kid, for fun. I was watching ads and being paid like 15 cents per ad that I was watching, but I could only watch 2 ads like once every couple days. I knew that wasn't going to make me rich. I just tried it for fun. I liked watching the number go up, oh wow, 15 cents one day, then the next day 30 cents. Then I had to wait a whole week to make another, 30 cents. But that was kind of fun as a kid. What about selling like freelance services online? Now, the issue is that if you go on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, etc., you're just being paid per hour of your time. You're being paid per project, and you're not really going to make that much for most of the services you can provide. So it's not really that worth it. There's a much better way to sell services. I'm going to share that with you in just a second. Let me drink my disgusting whey shake. No matter what, I just can't make the whey shakes taste good. I've got some vanilla whey, a full banana, some blueberries, some milk, but it tastes like shit. So if you have a good tip to make the whey shakes taste good, just let me know in the comments. Then I also see people trying to become internet influencers, gain millions of followers, and that's how they're gonna get rich. Now I have to admit, even myself, a few months ago, I still had the misconception that you need a ton of followers to make a lot of money. So my goal was to blow up on social media by having tons of sub accounts so I could get millions of followers and then eventually make millions of dollars with organic marketing only without paid advertising. And sure, that's a strategy, but it costs a lot of money to get to that point. And do you even really want to be famous? Do you want to travel and have people recognize you and take pictures with you? I think that can get pretty annoying. Not to mention, it is difficult to blow yourself up on social media to get famous. Because with social media, you post a piece of content, you've got no guarantee as to how well it's gonna do on the platform. So forget about being an influencer. You do not need millions of followers or hundreds of thousands of followers. I mean, believe it or not, if you've got 5K, even just 1K, 2K, 3K, 5K, 10K followers on socials, you can make a fuck ton of money. You could be making 6 figures a year with just that. And even if you don't have any followers, there are methods, I'm going to share that with you in just a second, that allow you to make a ton of money starting from zero. And then there's other methods, but I'm not going to go too deep in this video, otherwise it's going to be 5 hours long. Most business models, it's not that they don't work. It's just they're way too complex, there's way too many pitfalls, and they either require you to be famous to make millions of dollars, which again, it's a path that's very difficult, unlikely, unrealistic, and I don't recommend it, or they're very, very low profit. So is there a better way, I asked myself? Yes, there is. This is our motto instead, high-ticket consulting and services. Now, I literally went and looked up the definition of a consultant. A consultant, according to the Oxford Language Dictionary, is a person who provides expert advice professionally. Now, that can seem a bit scary, like, oh, you have to be some fancy corporate expert with decades of experience. No, you don't. A more simple definition for it would simply be somebody who helps another person to reach their desired outcome. Like, you have to understand in life, there's always your situation, where you are right now, and where you want to be. Now, forgive my drawing, I draw like a 2-year-old, but I mean, try drawing with a mouse and you'll tell me if you can do better drawings than me. But this is where you are right now. You make a certain amount of money, you have a certain lifestyle, your health is a certain way, and you want to go to this point. Point B, you want to go from point A to point B. Maybe point B is that you lost the extra weight that you've got. You take care of yourself, or you build muscle if you're skinny and you want to be a bit heavier, you know? It could be that right now you have a job, you're making 3K, 4K a month, and you want to be making 10, 15, 20,000 dollars a month. It could be that you're lonely and you're single and you want to be in a relationship, whatever it may be. My point is we always have a current situation and a desired situation. And whenever you purchase something, whether you realize it or not, you're always buying a desired situation. Even when you're buying food, your current situation is you're hungry. What's the desired situation? Feeling filled, not having this sensation of hunger anymore, being healthy. And that is why most people fail at those business models, because they only think about selling a product, but they forget the fundamentals of human psychology and human nature, why people buy stuff in the first place. People are not just gonna go and buy your shitty AliExpress lamp that's sold on Amazon for $10, but on your store you sell it for $50 because it looks pretty. Like, it goes much deeper than that. Now, why would we bother selling high-ticket consulting and services instead of just selling some products from Wish or AliExpress, or just doing some online surveys or some affiliate marketing? Why would we even bother? Well, that is why. With other models, you get on average 5 to 20% profit maximum. So again, what this means for you is if you make $10,000, you're only gonna keep $500 to $2,000, and that's before you pay taxes. So you're not really gonna keep much, meaning if you want to make 10K per month or even just 5K, you need to have massive revenue numbers. Not to mention, you need to sell to hundreds or even thousands of customers depending on the price point. Like, if we do the math, I don't know if you can see my calculator on my screen. Let's say we want to make $10,000 a month, right? We sell a product for $50. We need 200 sales. But the thing is, we're only keeping $2,000. So we'd need to make 5 times that amount. So that means we'd need 1,000 customers to pay us $50 to make $50,000 to keep $10,000. Do you see how insane that is? It's very difficult to achieve. It's not easy by any means. Also, you just sell random junk that you don't care about, which means you can't really differentiate yourself. Amazon is gonna crush you, to not say other meaner words. And it's also very time consuming because if you have hundreds or thousands of customers, can you imagine the amount of emails you're gonna get every day? Like, seriously. Most people don't realize this. You're gonna get hundreds of emails a day. that you have to answer to. People who ask you where the stuff is. People who ask you for refunds because they don't like the font on the product or some fucking bullshit like that. And then you're also in problem-solving mode 24/7. So what do I mean by that? Especially if you do things like dropshipping, you go to Facebook, you run some ads. Oh, you wake up in the morning and your account got banned. Why? Because the ad platform doesn't like you. So instead of focusing on growing the business, you're literally always focusing on solving problems within the business. So you can't really grow the business because all your time is spent on avoiding problems, fixing things. Whereas with our model, high ticket consulting and services, we keep 80 to 98% in profit, meaning we make 10K, we keep at least $8,000 all the way up to $9,800. And so what this means is to make 10K, we only need 1 to 10 customers. That's it. Like if you get, I know that selling something for 10 grand is going to seem impossible to so many people, but you don't have to. You could be selling a program or a service monthly recurring for $1,000. Boom, with 10 customers, you make 10K a month. That's it. Instead of needing like literally like 2,000 customers at $50 to make 10K in profit. Like it's a no-brainer. Then you can also sell what you love. If you're good at, I don't know, fishing, cooking, bodybuilding, if you're good at accounting, if you're good at real estate, you can teach that to other people and price it anywhere from 1K to 10K to teach them. Now, if you don't think you've got any skills, you could always sell a service, do something for someone else. And then later on, when you know how to do that service well, transition into selling it as a teaching. It's always easier, at least in my opinion, to sell a teaching offer because it takes a lot less work. So it's always better if you can do that. It's also very time efficient because again, you only need a handful of customers. You don't have to get like hundreds of emails a day of people who, are going to complain for everything and nothing and they only paid $50. Like these people are going to pay you thousands of dollars. And it's also fun problem solving. So it's not like you're going to wake up every day and there's going to be a fucking nightmare in your business. It's quite peaceful, really. Sometimes you're going to run into some problems. I'd be lying to you if I said the opposite, but it's problems which are fun to solve. It's not that difficult. For example, if you want to get more customers, let's say you're making $10,000 a month, you run into a problem. You can't get more clients organically. Why? Well, maybe you need to post a bit more content, or maybe you should turn on retargeting ads, meaning you show ads to people who've watched your content before. So there's always levels. At some point you reach problems, but it's not as hard to fix them as if you have to deal with thousands of customers. It's really not the same thing. Now, what can you sell exactly when you're doing high ticket consulting or services? So these are the different offer types. You can sell online courses only, but this is the most difficult to sell, at least for beginners. When you've got a crazy track record, people are going to buy your course. But even then, the conversion rates for online courses are lower than for the other types of offers, like coaching, one-on-one or group coaching, done for your services, meaning you do the work for a business, but the advantage of this model, you can have monthly recurring income. For example, let's say you're going to do lead generation for dentists. You could charge them $2,000, $5,000, even more dollars per month. So with one client at $5K a month, if you get two, you're making $10K a month. Now, my favorite is hybrid models, meaning you sell a course plus coaching on top. So for example, there's one call a week and people can message you on WhatsApp or on Discord or Telegram, whatever. This is my favorite model because you can work with more people. You charge a bit less money than services to businesses because you're typically selling to most of the time B2C, so individuals. But to give you a few examples, you can teach people how to invest in real estate, if that's what you know how to do. You can teach people how to get in shape, how to cook healthy recipes, how to save more time so they can spend that time with their kids and family. You can help people to fix insomnia. You can do tons of things. You can be in the dating market. Now, ideally, you want to pick a painful problem to solve for someone in one of the three main markets. That would be health and fitness. So that's one market. Wealth and then relationships. Why? Because these are the three things every human being on the planet wants and needs. And now I'm going to share with you the funnel you can use and that I'm using and all the other successful people who do this business model are using. Like that's literally it. That's the funnel to 10K to 100K per month. And technically, I know tons of people are not going to believe me. That's why I only put 100K per month here, but you can get to $1 million per month with this exact funnel. Like genuinely. That's my goal, to scale to that $1 million per month with this exact funnel. So first we've got a traffic source. If nobody knows about your product, your company, you're not going to make any money. Plain simple. Even if you have the best, most awesome product in the world. So there's two traffic sources you can have really. There's free traffic, which is going to be posting content on social media or reaching out to people on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, etc. And then the other traffic source is going to be paid. So that's typically going to be advertising on social media. So instead of making the content, you'd pay money to the platform to then have your ads shown to people. The big advantage of ads is that you can buy as many customers as you want as long as you're profitable. Whereas with social media, you post a video, you can get 20 views. You can get 1,000 views, 10,000 views. You don't know in advance. But with ads, you know if you spend this much money, your ad will be shown to this amount of people specifically. So that's why at some point, if you really want to hit big numbers, past 50K a month, etc., if you want to hit the 500K, the million a month, you're gonna need to go to paid advertising. I wish I understood this sooner, instead of trying to focus so much on crazy high profit margins and getting customers for free all the time. Because I'll be honest, even at my stage right now, it's still kind of scary to spend a lot of money, and I'm spending thousands of dollars like consistently. And it still feels a bit scary because from my background, I come from the low middle class, so I was never used to spending thousands of dollars. So I have to retrain my mind to actually be willing to spend that kind of money. Because what you really need to understand is that your current actions are not going to lead you to the different outcome that you want, the better outcome. So you have to do different things. I mean, right now, as I'm recording this, it's January 3rd, 2026. What are you going to do about this year? Are you going to just waste the next 6 to 12 months of your life? Really? After you made New Year's resolutions? Come on. It's time to take your fucking goals seriously. So now we've got the traffic source. We send people to a free value video, an opt-in page. And then on that page, they give us their email and their phone number typically and their name. And then they get sent to this page, which is what we call a VSL, which stands for Video Sales Letter. Now on that page, they've got this video and they're prompted to book a call with you to just talk more, to see if they could really benefit from your offer. And then there's the sales call. Now some people show up, some people don't. Most people typically show up. I mean, if you go to paid advertising, it's going to be cold traffic typically, people who don't know you before. So your show up rate, meaning the amount of people who will show up to the call, is going to be slightly lower, but you don't need everybody to show up and you don't need everybody to buy. On average, out of all sales calls you take, you can close between 15 all the way to 30% of all the people you talk to. That means if you talk to 10 people on a sales call, you close, let's say, 20%, you're going to get 2 customers. If your program or service is sold for 3K, you just made $6,000 by talking to 10 people. Can you see how the math can add up very quickly? So that's literally what we do. Why we don't follow all these, low profit business models, and why we sell a high ticket coaching or program or service. And that's the exact funnel we use. Now look, I don't have time to explain everything in depth in this video. There is so much more to cover. This is very surface level. So if you want to get my help, if you want to see if we can help you to build a 10K plus per month business online, selling high ticket programs or services, and yes, even if you have a very limited time, I've worked with people who already work 80 hours a week in their jobs and they still find the time to build a business. You're never gonna magically have more time. It's either you make the time or you don't. But if you don't, you'll stay exactly where you are. So don't come complaining, please. Stand by your choices. And that works even if you have limited money. At first, you can get customers without spending any money on advertising. This is what beginners should do. You shouldn't go on Facebook ads and try to spend thousands of dollars to sell the shittiest dropshipping product ever. You should do things the smartest way possible. So below this video, in the description, you'll find a link to a free video that's going to explain more about this business model and why it's the best opportunity we've ever seen since the internet existed, really. And on that same page, you'll be able to book a free strategy call with me or a member of my team. And on that call, we'll see why you haven't been able to make any money online so far, or why what you've tried hasn't worked. And if you haven't tried to make money online before, we're going to show you how you can use this method and this funnel to get to 10K plus per month consistently. Now, be quick, we've got very limited spots for that. I only have like me and 1 other people doing this, so we are very selective of who we take on those calls. So check that out in the description below. Watch the video, book your call before all the spots fill up. And with that said, I will see you on the other side.